What's up guys, I'm Evans JE and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk on how to install Notepad++ in Windows 10. Notepad++ is a software that is used to edit some source code. First, you have to download Notepad++. You can either click the link in the description to head over to Notepad++ page and download the installer, or you can just search it on Google. So head over to their page, to their download section, and make sure you download the appropriate installer depending on your system architecture. For my case, I am using a 64-bit installer. So download, save it, and wait for it to complete. Once it's done, open the installer, and the installation process is pretty much straightforward. We'll be using the default configurations and clicking next, agreeing to the terms of services, selecting the paths, and checking to create a desktop shortcut. In no time, Notepad++ will be installed, and you will run Notepad++ when you hit the finish button. This beautiful text editor will open up and you'll be good to go. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you dislike the video, you know what to do. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.